The foldable smartphone market is booming, with two variants taking the center stage. Now there's the fold-in-half vertical styles, which minimize their footprint to reduce storage volume. And then there are the fold-open horizontally tablet styles, which increase screen real estate. Now both of these have their place in the world, and after reviewing them all, we have selected 5 outstanding models. Hey, I'm Jim with Techie Tech News, and these are the best foldable phones of 2025. And guys, we've provided links to all of these products in the description box below. And please like, comment, and subscribe for more product review videos. At Techie Tech News, we evaluate products for you, so you don't have to. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. After losing some ground to Motorola's foldable razors, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 from Samsung makes a comeback with some welcomed improvements over the previous models. The best change of the bunch involved the Flip's main camera, which now uses a 50 megapixel sensor instead of a 12 megapixel that all previous Flip models used. That means sharper photos and the ability to simulate a 2x zoom. We also liked how the Z Flip 6 cameras performed in low lighting. There are other changes that recommend the Galaxy Z Flip 6, like a more durable design and the addition of Galaxy AI features. We particularly like the way an interpreter feature takes advantage of the dual screens so that a person you're speaking to can see a real-time translation of what you're saying. Portrait Assist takes all the great photos you're shooting with the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and gives them a stylized makeover. You will have to pay more for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, it's $100 more than the previous model, and the battery life is only slightly improved. But this is a nice step forward for Samsung's flip phone that shows the Galaxy Z Flip is up to the challenge posed by the Razor. It's equipped with 12GB of RAM and your choice of 256 or 512GB of storage. This is the foldable to get if you prioritize taking pictures while minimizing the footprint of your phone. We award the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 winner as the best camera-equipped foldable. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit TechieTechDeals.com. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google has certainly had a rough start with foldables, but the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a step in the right direction, and it's satisfying to use. Its second-generation foldable phone features a thin and light redesign that matches the design qualities of its contemporaries, all while packaging several new AI features. For example, we loved how AdMe lets us easily include a photographer into our photos with the help of augmented reality. Meanwhile, features such as Pixel Studio and Reimagine allow us to edit photos like a champ by simply typing in descriptions of what we wanted to change, resulting in realistic images that can fool someone into thinking it's not AI enhanced. But the real star of the show here is its beautiful display. Google improves the brightness of its main display by reaching an outstanding 2,319 nits of brightness, and as a result, it has the brightest screen we've tested in a notebook-style foldable phone. And despite producing some underwhelming performance benchmark scores, the Tensor G4 chip powering the Pixel 9 Pro Fold actually delivers longer battery life than its predecessor by reaching a using time of 11 hours and 36 minutes. This phone is also equipped with 16GB of RAM and with your choice of 256 or 512GB of storage. It's definitely an incredible screen to look at, and with all the real estate, you will be a pig in dirt with your purchase. And for this, we award the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold winner as the best screen foldable. Motorola Razor. After introducing its lower-cost foldable in 2023, Motorola came back even stronger with its 2024 model, and it really is a drastically different phone. Most notably, the company ditches its tiny outer screen and replaces it with a larger 3.4-inch one. What vaults this new Razor ahead of its more premium Razor Plus is how it balances features and price. First of all, it features a 50-megapixel main camera paired with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, effectively making it more user-friendly friendly for content creators who love to record videos of themselves. Secondly, the larger outer screen lets you use full apps, which can be handy for notifications or for those times you just need to scroll through your feeds. And rather than opening up the phone to just use those apps, they're all accessible through that outer screen. And finally, its $699 cost makes it a foldable phone that most people can't afford. You won't find any other flip style phone at this price point. It has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and also bears an impressively long battery life. How Motorola can afford to offer this phone at this price is currently beyond us, but we would not let this opportunity go. If you're in the market for a foldable smartphone for the lowest price possible, this is it. Ultimately, we award the Motorola Razor winner as the best value foldable. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. There is a lot to like about the latest iteration of Samsung's flagship foldable, as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is thinner and lighter than any of its predecessors. In fact, at 8.4 ounces, it weighs about as much as a conventional design big screen phone, which is a great advance on Samsung's part. We also like that this improved portability didn't come at the expense of durability, as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 features stronger glass and resistance to some dust. The reason to turn to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the Galaxy AI features. You get the same capabilities introduced earlier this year with the Galaxy S24 family, but there are a few new tools too. To be specific, Samsung has tooled its AI to capitalize on the Fold's unique design. Google Gemini is accessible from the Fold's cover display, and Sketch to Image takes advantage of the expanding drawing surface to turn your sketches into stylized illustrations. Note Assist is particularly handy for transcribing and summarizing meeting notes. Now, we think the OnePlus Open's superior multitasking capabilities make it a better option than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the higher price Samsung is charging can be off-putting. But if you've been reluctant to get a foldable due to durability concerns, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 puts those to rest and adds more AI skill to the mix. We are truly at a time where foldables are viable long-term options, and this impressive model offers a premium choice with some incredible features. It's also equipped with 12GB of RAM and your option of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of storage. We are positive that the Galaxy fan base will be satisfied with this offering from Samsung. And to that end, we award the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 winner as the best AI-assisted foldable. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is the best foldable that you can buy thanks to its ample screen real estate, excellent performance, and overall value. It's about $100 less than similar notebook-style foldables from Samsung and Google, which is a step in the right direction given the high prices of these kinds of phones. OnePlus also didn't cut corners to make the lower price, as the Open takes excellent photos for the most part, but low-light photo quality doesn't impress as much. We appreciate the Open Canvas multitasking feature that lets you run multiple apps simultaneously, in any window size that you want. OnePlus seems to understand that the appealing thing about foldable phones is that they double as tablets and should perform as such. As for the display, the 7.8-inch main screen is the largest you can get on a foldable right now, though the OnePlus Open's hinge keeps the overall phone slender and light. This is truly a great device that moves the entire foldable market forward. If you want more and willing to pay up for it, you can also turn to the OnePlus Open Apex Edition. This is a variant of the standard OnePlus Open that boosts storage up to 1TB and adds an AI smart cutout tool that creates stickers based on your photos you capture with the phone. You also get a VIP mode that turns off the phone's camera and microphone for extra privacy. But overall, the value here isn't just the price. It's the experience you get with the extra screen space, and the Open just delivers it in spades. Ultimately, our whole team agrees that the OnePlus Open wins as the best foldable phone overall. Folks, we hope you've enjoyed this video and have learned the details that you need to make an informed decision. It's a well-reviewed list of foldable phones, with one being right for you. Still, if you're unsure as to which model you should choose, just comment down below and I will personally assist you. Everybody has their own unique challenges, and I would love to help problem solve them with you. And please let us know which foldable phone you would choose. Links to all of these items are posted in the video description box below, and when you're done, check out the next video.